Hello grade 8 learners, this is Teacher Corley. This week, I'll be teaching you how to find the equation of the line given the certain conditions. I know that last week your topic was all about graphing a linear equation, and basically the graph of a linear equation is a straight line. I know you know that. Keep it up. You can graph the linear equation using the three methods. You can use the table of values, wherein you give values for x and solve for y. You can also use the slope-intercept form, such that when you are given an equation, you transform it into slope-intercept form to easily identify the slope and the y-intercept. And lastly, you can use the x and y-intercepts, the intercept form. When you are given an equation, you just have to look for the x-intercept, you let y equal 0 and solve for x, and find also the y-intercept wherein you let x be equal to 0 and solve for y. This week, our topic would be the same thing. It's still linear equation, but this time, you will not be given the equation. You will be the one to find or to write the linear equation, giving only some facts about the line. Like, what if you're given 2 points? You are asked to find the equation of the line. What if the given are just the x and y intercepts? What if the given are just a slope and a point, or a slope and the y-intercept? Don't worry. It's just so easy to find the equations of these lines when you are given certain facts about the line. Just bear with me. There are different forms of linear equations. Aside from the standard form, which is ax plus by plus c, and its general form, which is ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a is positive and a, b, and c are integers, we also have other forms of linear equations. First, we have the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. The slope determines the steepness of the line, while the y-intercept is a point where your line crosses the y-axis. Second, the point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, where m is the slope and x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the coordinates of the given point. Third is the two-point form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1, where x sub 1, y sub 1 is the first point, and x sub 2, y sub 2 is the second point. Fourth, the intercept form, which is x over a plus y over b equals 1, where a and b are the x and y intercepts respectively. When will you use the different forms of the linear equation? It may sound complicated, it may be confusing, but it's just so easy. Just be positive that you can do it. Remember, if others can do, why can't you? Adja. First tip. Take note of what are given, because the formula to be used in finding the equation of the line depends on what are given. Say for example, if you are given a point and a slope, then you will use the point-slope form. If you are given a slope and the y-intercept, then you will use the slope-intercept form. If you are given 2 points of the line, then you will use the two-point form. And if you are given the x and y intercepts, then you will use the intercept form. Remember, the form of the equation of the line to be used depends on what are given. That's why, familiarize yourself with the different names of the equations as well as the formulas. Okay?